Why should medical diagnostics take days when they could be instant in our digital age? This is the provocative question Dr. Hwa A raised in his keynote lecture on bioinformatics, from data, digital, discovery to diseases. In the traditional approach to healthcare, experiments are run on as many subjects as possible. However, the truth is that what is normal for one person may not be normal for another. This is where the concept of a quantified self-experiment comes in. With this approach, the experiment's subject count is just one, you. Dr. Lim argues that while you might think a single subject experiment lacks statistical validity, it is, in fact, extremely valid to the subject in question. With long-term self-tracking, a very personal baseline can be established. This baseline can become invaluable when feeling unwell or when trying out a new treatment. This personal database, which could include a full sequence of your genome, is key to constructing personalized treatments and lifestyle changes. Dr. Lim also touched upon the irony of our modern world. Our senses, which evolved over millions of years to help us survive in a world of scarcity, are now struggling in a world of abundance. Too much of everything is throwing our metabolism and psychology out of balance. Our bodies may not be well equipped to register these imbalances, but technology can. Biometrics, the science behind the sensors that track your body, can measure personally unique fingerprints such as your heartbeat, gait, typing rhythm, word usage, sitting posture, blinks, and even your voice and speech patterns. In the traditional healthcare setting, checkups are typically conducted once a year, with prescriptions based on data gathered in a brief period. This approach is ill-suited to diseases with fluctuating symptoms. Instead, constant monitoring using digital devices to establish a personal baseline is needed. Dr. Lim advocated for the use of both genetic and behavioral markers. By comparing daily routines and detecting changes in activities, it is possible to predict what a person might be coming down with and start treating maladies before they fully manifest. Diseases like Parkinson's can manifest in voice patterns and bodily movements up to a decade before being diagnosed. Early treatment involving exercise, medicines, and lifestyle changes can delay the onset and lessen the impact of such diseases. In conclusion, constant monitoring will transform healthcare from a reactive to a proactive approach. This shift from crisis response to prevention is the future of healthcare, as envisioned by Dr. Lim. It's a future where medical diagnostics don't have to take days, but rather can be instant in our digital age.